Yes, I've pretty much always been self-employed. Pretty much lived right here, pretty close. And we've been married, what? 46 years. So it's been good.
I'm a registered nurse, retired, work part-time though. I have all my grandchildren and they're enjoying this camper set up. So if we don't have electricity, everybody's going to come here.
And can you tell us a little bit more about your business and your role in the community?
Well, we've got, like I said, a small construction company. Pretty much know everybody here around. Pretty much know everybody that y'all have put panels on for.
And he's good about helping the community. Like we've had a lot of deaths in families. If they can't afford to bury people, he can dig the graves, and that saves them a lot of money. So he does that for the community a lot.
What does community mean for you, and why is it so important?
I wouldn't know how to be anywhere else other than this. I mean, this is just what I'm used to. I wouldn't know how to act anywhere else.
And we're like a family. If someone's in need, we help them, or if we're in need, they help us.
And now shifting a little bit to solar, could you share why you decided to go solar? What was the motivation behind it?
Just a lot of it is comfort. You know that if something goes out, you've got this to back up on. Don't have all your eggs in one basket. I'm 7 years older than her, and I want to make sure that if something happens, I do check out, that she's taken care of.
Have you all experienced any power outages or anything like that? Is that something that's a regular challenge in the community?
We have had a lot of tornadoes in the area. That's what I was telling her, only 20 miles from here. My son went and helped someone. They had 4 trees on their trailer and they couldn't get out. And so they had to literally cut all the trees so they could get out of the house. They were okay, but their whole community has been, damaged. So a lot of those are out of electricity. So especially I think, the local, now that they've come up with those portable solars, I think that'd be really good in areas like that.
Have you perceived any benefits from the project so far? Can you maybe share a specific story or a moment to highlight the project's impact?
And my son lives where the other solar, that's just across those woods. And so they use it, that is their electricity. So they have a very small, they only have 3 batteries, but as I showed you, that's what they run their electricity off. So they will soon not have a light bill, electric bill for sure. And then we do get income from the solar panels. It goes to the Chickasaw and then the TVA. So they send us a small check every month.
For any of, say, the policymakers who are protecting the grant funding for projects like this, would you have anything to say to them?
They really need to keep doing it. If there's any way possible. Because it's like I said, it helps everybody.
So in the context of that, energy resilience, do you feel more confident now having this solar and battery system here connected to your property?
We don't have to depend on the Chickasaw to get out here and fix our electricity, because we know we'll have electricity. Everybody around us might not, but we will.
I've always been kind of survivalist anyway, I didn't want all my eggs in one basket. You want options.
This will be shared with people who are not from here, investors who participated in the project. Anything that you would like to share with them?
I'd like to thank them. I don't think they could invest in any better project than this. It means a lot.
Yeah, I'd like to thank them too, because of them we have this. We could not have it by ourselves.